No one really tells you this, but creating a website with Figma's AI tool and Chatgpt isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to sketch wireframes on paper, Googling for hours, and dragging rectangles in old school design software. It was literally exhausting. I remember bouncing between tutorials, opening way too many tabs, and still feeling like I was missing something important. Everything felt fragmented, slow, and honestly overwhelming, especially when all I wanted was a clean, professional website. So in this video, I'll walk you through 4 super clear steps that show you how to get a beautiful, professional website design using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. This is the exact workflow that removes confusion and replaces it with clarity, structure, and confidence. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy this is. The link to Figma is in the description, but there's no special discount, just the program itself. Step 1. Plan your website structure with ChatGPT. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, using ChatGPT to plan your website before you even open Figma. This step alone can save you hours of guessing and second guessing because you're starting with a clear plan instead of a blank canvas. When I asked ChatGPT, help me plan a website for a local bakery with a menu, gallery, and contact info, the AI literally gave me a full sitemap and even suggested what content to put on each page. I was like, wait, this is super cute and actually makes sense. It felt like someone had already done the thinking for me and handed me a roadmap. First, we start by opening ChatGPT and typing a prompt like, help me plan a website for your business or idea. What pages should I include and what content should go on each page? Then let ChatGPT suggest a sitemap like home, menu, gallery, about, contact. Seeing this list instantly makes your project feel manageable instead of overwhelming. Next, ask for a content outline for each page. This helps you understand what actually belongs where instead of randomly placing text later. After that, copy the structure and content ideas into a doc or sticky notes for reference. This becomes your blueprint for everything that comes next. Here's what most people don't know. ChatGPT can even suggest user journeys like visitor lands on a homepage, checks menu, then books a table. This is a total game changer for beginners. It helps you think like a designer without needing years of experience. But the real magic happens when you use Figma's AI to turn your plan into real, beautiful pages. Step 2. Generate website layouts with Figma's AI tool. Now here comes my totally obsessed part, watching Figma's AI literally build your website's layout for you. This is where ideas turn into visuals almost instantly. When I used Figma's AI and typed, create a homepage with a hero image, menu section, and contact form, the AI generated a layout, picked colors, and even wrote the button text. I literally gasped. It looked like something from a real agency. It didn't feel basic or unfinished. It looked polished right away. First, we start by opening Figma and creating a new design file. Then click the AI Assistant or Ask Figma button. Next, describe your homepage or any page you want, like modern homepage for a bakery with hero image, menu, and contact form. After that, let the AI generate the layout, text, and even images. Watching it appear so quickly is honestly addictive. Meanwhile, repeat for each page in your sitemap, menu, gallery, about, etc., building your full site piece by piece. Here's what most people don't know. Figma's AI can generate real copy, icons, and even illustrations. If you're stuck on what to write, just ask the AI for a headline or product description. It's literally a creative partner. But the real game changer is how easy it is to customize everything and make it totally yours. Step 3. Customize and refine your design. Now here comes my super creative part, making your AI-generated website totally yours. This is where your personality really starts to show. When I started customizing my website, I literally just clicked on text and changed it, uploaded my own photos by dragging and dropping, and adjusted colors with simple clicks. What used to take me hours with other builders took literally 10 minutes with Figma. I was totally obsessed with how intuitive everything was. First, click on any text element to edit it with your real content. Then, upload your own photos by clicking on Image Placeholders. Next, adjust colors using the simple color picker tools. After that, add or remove sections as needed, using Figma's drag and drop interface. Meanwhile, use Figma's built-in components to add buttons, forms, or galleries, keeping everything consistent and clean. Here's what most people don't know. Figma's I can suggest color palettes and font pairings that match your brand vibe. Just ask the AI for friendly bakery colors or modern tech fonts, and it'll literally give you options. But the real magic is how easy it is to turn your design into a clickable prototype and get feedback. Step 4. Prototype, test, and share your website. Now here comes my favorite finishing part. Making your website interactive and sharing it with the world. This is where everything finally feels real. When I linked my buttons to other pages in Figma's prototype mode, I literally previewed my whole website like a real site. I was totally obsessed with how real it felt. No code needed. First, use Figma's Prototype tab to link buttons and navigation to the right pages. Then click Present to preview your interactive website. Next, share your design with friends or teammates for feedback. Just send them the Figma link. After that, use Figma's comment feature to collect feedback right on your design. Finally, export your assets or hand off to a developer for launch. Here's what most people don't know. Figma's prototype mode lets you test your website on your phone. Just scan the QR code in the preview window and see your design in action. It's literally a game changer for user testing. Now, let's talk about how much time and money you're saving with this approach. If you hired a professional web designer, $3,000 to $10,000, and that's before revisions and delays. If you learned traditional web design, 6 to 12 months of classes and practice, plus a lot of frustration. With Figma's AI tool and Chatgpt, less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, and you can have your site designed in a weekend. This comparison really puts things into perspective and shows how powerful and accessible this workflow actually is. But what if I'm not creative? The AI literally does the creative heavy lifting for you. You just guide it. You're never expected to start from scratch. What if I don't know what sections I need? ChatGPT and Figma's AI suggest the best structure based on real websites. You're always starting with proven ideas. Will my site look generic? Nope. You can customize every detail and the AI adapts to your brand. Your personality still shines through. Is this really beginner-friendly? Totally. If you can drag and drop, you can design a site with this. It's that simple. Forget the old way. Imagine getting a stunning professional website not in months, but in mere hours. This is your immediate result. No waiting, just instant momentum. That moment you share it, pure pride. Show your new site to friends, family, and clients. It's your vision, realized, making a powerful first impression. Financially, it's transformative. Save thousands typically spent on designers and developers. That's capital you can reinvest directly into growing your dream. Best of all, this is creative freedom. Express your unique vision with clarity and zero technical stress. The process is seamless, putting you in complete control. This is more than a website. It's your launchpad. Fast, affordable, and unmistakably yours. Ready to design your own website the smart way? This is your sign to stop overthinking and start creating. Click the link in the description to try Figma's AI tool and ChatGPT for yourself. No special code needed, just the program. Open it up, experiment, and let the tools guide you step by step. Join our community, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. Your dream website is literally just a few clicks away. Let's make it happen together.